this video, I will show you how to play one win game in Canada. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. Before we continue, I'll advise you to create a professional one win account. To do that, click on sign up. Once you click on sign up, you're going to fill in your details, choose your currency, your phone number, your email address, and your password. Now, when you come to promo codes, you're going to use the promo code Renzo7. If you use the promo code Renzo7, one win is going to give you up to 500% bonus on your first deposit. This means that if you deposit $100, you're going to receive $500 as your bonus, and you can use to bet. Now, let's continue. So to play one win game, you have to come over to language share and search for Canada. Come over to language and then search through if you can see the Canada language. And if you see it, all you have to do is to choose the language. And then when you come over to your one win account, is going to be converted to that language. And you can choose now whatever game in one win that you want to play and go ahead and play it. It's a very easy problem. So you can choose live games or anyone and then play.